Don't throw away those burnout LED bulbs. If you have a burnout LED bulb, don't discard it. After watching this video, you will be able to repair it with remarkable ease. This exclusive segment shows you a surprisingly simple trick to bring your faulty or burnt bulb back to life, working efficiently again. All you need to do is identify the damaged LED chip. First, carefully remove the diffuser cover protecting the LEDs. Using tweezers, locate the small yellowish LED chip that has failed and is now creating an open circuit. This is the burnt chip that needs to be removed. Next, you will only need a pencil. Rub the pencil tip thoroughly over the exact spot where the faulty LED chip was removed. The carbon in the pencil lead is an excellent conductor and can withstand high temperatures. Afterward, we will need a piece of adhesive tape to firmly secure the carbon powder in place. Now, let's turn the light back on. As you can see, the bulb is working perfectly and efficiently once more. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you liked the video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. We wish you all the best and see you in the next video.